Hello, I'm Dr. Nalin, Wickramasinghe from Sri Lanka. I am a doctor there. I work as an aesthetic for 7 years. Then I changed my career to be a family doctor. So I find that there are a lot of people who need hair transplant in Sri Lanka and no good clinic there. So I search a best place to get training. I found Dr. Saraswat Hospital, a very interesting place. So I contacted him and came to here on 16th of January from Sri Lanka. So they have greeted me very well, and they accepted me as a family member. So they take care of me, and what I came to Agra, I stayed at a hotel, and they have contacted me there, and they have sent their car to pick me up and leave me there, and everything they have arranged. They have arranged morning and breakfast and make me feel very welcome. And apart from that, the course materials, they have explained everything. And the beauty of it is that I'm the only candidate, so I get the most about it, and hand-on training on everything. They have shared me the secrets and what they have done, everything. They have made me feel confident. Actually, talking about Dr. Preeti and Dr. Saraswat, they have make me feel confident even when falling back. He tell me like, you're done well and everything. I know myself. I'm not doing that. Then that confidence built me in best results. And I think actually I have never done this kind of video before, so I'm very pleased to have trained under you today. And actually I think I made 2 more friends in my life.
So friends, I hope you like this testimonial from our friend, and I would request you humbly to subscribe to this channel to know more about the courses which are offered by our International Institute of Cosmetic Surgery and Aesthetic Medicine. I would even like you to share these videos so that the information about these courses reaches to more and more people. And if you have any comments and query, you can always put it down in the comment section of this video, and we will surely be responding to that. Thank you.